we're going to discuss the concepts of elasticity in labor and financial capital markets. As previously discussed, elasticity is an economic concept that measures responsiveness of one variable to changes in another variable. For example, the price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in the quantity demanded of a good or service divided by the percentage change in the price. Let's take a closer look at elasticity in the labor market. The wage elasticity of labor measures the degree to which the supply of labor reacts to a change in wage. Here, the wage elasticity of supply equals the percentage change in quantity supplied of labor divided by the percentage change in wage. We know that lower skilled jobs, such as a fast food worker, require less training, time, and education. These jobs have a more elastic wage elasticity of supply than skilled jobs. A skilled job, such as a lawyer, requires more training, time, and education. These jobs have a less elastic wage elasticity of supply. The graph on the left shows the supply curve for lawyers in the labor market. Notice that here we have a steep supply curve. This curve shows that in the short run, the percentage change of lawyers will not be dramatic when the market salary of lawyers changes. The graph on the right shows the supply curve for a fast food worker in the labor market. Notice that here we have a less steep supply curve. This curve shows that in the short run, the percentage change of fast food workers will be more dramatic when the market salary of fast food workers changes. This concept can also be applied to the age of workers in a labor market. For instance, the labor market supply for people in their 50s will have a less elastic wage elasticity of supply than for people in their 20s. Therefore, the supply curve for the people in their 50s will be more steep than the supply curve for people in their 20s. A person in their 20s is most likely going to be more flexible with pursuing different types of work than a person in their 50s, who is most likely settled into a specific career type. Now, let's take a look at elasticity in financial capital markets. In a financial capital market, higher savings will have a positive effect on the overall economy. The higher the savings, the more the consumer will invest in capital goods. This will lead to economic growth over the long run. The elasticity of savings measures the degree to which savers react to a change in the interest rate. Here, the elasticity of savings equals the percentage change in quantity of savings divided by the percentage change in the interest rate. A common disagreement amongst economists is the effect an interest rate change will have on savings. But, generally, the short-run savings will be relatively inelastic with respect to a change in the interest rate, making the supply curve of savings relatively steep.